missed, and you only needed 2 to tie with plenty of time to push in transition. Just over 8 seconds remaining.
Nets have no timeouts remaining. 8.3 on the clock. Jason Kidd and Tyshawn Taylor bumped, and there is some spillage on the floor. Taking a drink, and whoa. Ice and cola.
Into the paint.
Yeah, so
untouched was Graham.
Well, it was a breakdown defensively. DD was on the baseline trying to figure out, and this is what Alvarado does. He does this like once a week.
8-0 run. And Jose, you relax, he'll burn you.
And the Pelicans stand. A steal by Alvarado. Grand theft Alvarado.
Blazers will call a timeout right here. And
Andre Miller doesn't. He fakes the timeout and scores. The Hornets were already to the huddle.
that's a good bet.
Nate McMillan's smiling in front of us and rolls his eyes and he looks down. But he gives him that freedom if he feels a situation where an opponent.
Silliness. Somebody's got to take a timeout. It might as well be me. No, Miller fakes the timeout, and they're going to count that on a goaltend.
Out ahead to Sean Respert. Murdoch throws it up, and it goes in! Eric Murdoch threw it up in the air from behind the glass, and it went in! What an unbelievable shot!
Andre Miller off that Chris Min pick, had it slapped away, and this is going to be a 24-second violation on the Cavaliers. Oh! Miller threw that in the hole! Do you believe it?
Good on the line.
Top of the key jumper, and around and around and around, and still going, and finally falling. Thank you, Sir Isaac Newton.
Amazing showmanship from Richardson.
We only have the best record, and they make a legitimate point. What more would you want in a team? Big baby, mean mugging for the family.
How about that tip?
In his initial game as a Hawk.
Lou Williams last year in a Philadelphia uniform crushed the Warriors. Draymond Green, his first NBA basket. And it's a 3, and he gets a tossing technical after he makes the shot. He will not forget his first NBA bucket.
He's going to come over top and do Tolliver.
Brad, familiar with the situation from being from college. Uh-oh. Whoa! Brad, did you design it up that way? All right, this is how Brad drew it up. Wow.
Thunder's last field goal was at the 6:06 mark of the quarter. Westbrook at the buzzer, got it. That could be a little bit of ignition. How about that? Westbrook off the back.
Away. Well, coming in, Dallas had made coming into
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Man, what a night this is. This is so unique. Wow.
Points for Dallas came back. Nick Young with a nice move. Reverse layup is in. Spectacular play by Nick Young.
Mashburn, who could run the baseline. Davis, that'll be counted on a shot attempt. Oh! It's got to go.
It counts.
It's good. Baron Davis has just voted in from 92 feet away. A three-point goal by the Hornets.
And that's why you take those type of opportunities and you never...
For the shoot. Gets a screen from Sullinger. That's blocked away by Seraphin. Oh my goodness!
Wow.
How did that go in?
What a heady play, though. He knew he didn't have time to recover it. All he could do was just tip it up towards the back.
Low to Gortat.